Jai Gurudev children. Today we are going to learn chapter 12 exponents and power. You had already learned this chapter in 7th standard. You had already learned loads of exponents in 7th standard. Let us revise loads of exponents. The first load says a to the power n multiplied by a to the power n. That is, when the base is same and exponents are different, the formula for this is a to the power m plus n. A to the power m plus n. Second load says that a to the power m divided by a to the power n. That is, when the base is same, power is different, and the division sign is there, it means that is a to the power m minus n. A to the power m minus n. Third law says that a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to, here a to the power base is there and whole to the power n, then that will be equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Then the next is a to the power m into b to the power m. Now here if you see, the base is different, the exponent is same here. The base is different and exponent is same here. So that can be written as ab whole to the power m. When the base is different and power is same, that is the exponent is same, then both can be multiplied and the power will remain same. Then it will be a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Again here, a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Both the base are different, exponent is same, and this can be written as a upon b whole to the power m. A upon b whole to the power m. And last we have studied is a to the power 0 is equal to 1. Any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So these are the 6 laws we had already studied in 7th standard. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. A to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. A to the power m into b to the power m. Till here the base are same. Here from here these two loads, the base is different and exponents are same. Then it will be a into b to the power m. A to the power m upon b to the power m. While dividing, when the base are different, power are same, or you can say exponents are same, a upon b whole to the power m. A to the power 0 is equal to 1, or you can say any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. Now here what we had learned in 7th standard is power of positive number. All these are positive number. Now in 8th standard what we are going to learn is power with negative number. Power with negative number. Power with negative number. Power with negative number. Here whatever we had seen, that is positive number. Now power with negative number. here m is negative number, negative m. This can be written as a to the power 1 upon a to the power m. Means any number is there whose power is in negative number, that can be written as 1 upon that number and power. The same way, if it is 1 upon a to the power minus m, 1 upon a to the power minus m, that can be written as a to the power m, a to the power m. Third one is a to the power minus m upon b to the power, suppose minus n. This number can be written as, can be done, b to the power n upon a to the power m. Means inverse of this and negative sign will go. So what we are going to learn is, when we have negative sign, it will be 1 upon, that is the inverse of this number, and you have to remove the negative sign, inverse of the number. Whenever the negative powers are there, powers are negative, then the result will come inverse of the number, and you have to remove the negative sign, that is a to the power minus m. Suppose it will be, example, if we solve 2 to the power minus 3, then it will be 1 upon 2 to the power 3, that is inverse of 2 to the power minus 3, 2 to the power 3, and negative sign you have to remove, 1 upon 2 to the power 3, which will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 into 2, that is equal to 8. In the same way, if second number is, suppose 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2. Now again the negative sign is there, so we have to do inverse of this, that is 1 upon 3, that is 3, 2, and we have to remove the negative sign, which will be equal to 9. Now if we see this as an example, that will be, suppose 4 upon 5, here it will be minus 2, here it will be minus 3. Now inverse of 4 upon 5, power will remain same as they have. So 5 to the power 3 upon 4 to the power 2. Inverse of 4 upon 5, that is 5 upon 4, power will remain same as they have. Means 5 have minus 3, so minus we are going to remove, it will be 3. 4 has minus 2, so 4 upon 4 to the power 2, that will be 125 upon 4 to 16. So in this way, this is the new thing we are going to learn in 8th standard, and on the basis of this formula and this load, we are going to solve the sums from the exercise. Just remain this 3, you have to remember a to the power minus 4 is equal to a 1 upon a to the power m. 1 upon a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power m. A to the power m minus n upon b to the power minus n, that will be b to the power n, a to the power minus m. You just have to remember inverse of this number and remove the negative sign. Now let us see exercise 12.1. Exercise 12.1, question number 1 is evaluate, and first question is given 3 to the power minus 2. Now here, as we had done, it's a power in the negative form, and we know that when a to the power minus m is equal to a 1 upon m, therefore 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 2. As we had done that, any number to the negative power is there, that will be inverse of this number, and Let us see question number 3rd. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. Again, here we have to, in the previous standard we learned the formula that will be minus 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. This can be written as we had done the formula a to the power minus m upon b to the power minus m is equal to b to the power m upon a to the power m, which will be equal to, and therefore 1 upon 1 to the power minus 5 upon 2 to the power minus 5 is equal to 2 to the power minus 5 upon 1 to the power minus, 2 to the power 5 upon 1 to the power 5. Now 2 to the power 5 is equal to 32, and so the answer is 32. Now let us move toward question number 2. Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. We have to write in positive exponent. Here it is minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 4 upon 8. Minus 4 upon 5 divided by minus 4 upon 8. So first we have to solve it. It is division sign here, so that will be, we have to remember this a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We have to remember this formula. Now as per this formula, therefore minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8 is equal to minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8. This can be written as minus 4 to the power 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Now this can be written as minus 4 to the power minus 3. Now again you know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Therefore minus 4 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. Minus 4 to the power 3. And here we get the answer. Here we have to first simplify it and then get the answer in the positive exponent. Now let us see question number 4 of the same question. Question number 4 is 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 multiplied by 3 to the power minus 5. 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. First we have to solve this by saying this formula. This will be 3 to the power minus 7 minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Here division sign is there. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Now this will be equal to 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5, which will be equal to 3 to the power minus 7 plus 10 is 3 to the power 3 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now again this is in form of a to the power m into a to the power n. That can be written as 3 to the power 3 plus 3 to the power minus 5. This can be written as 3 to the power minus 2. Now again we know that a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power m. Therefore 3 to the power minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 3 to the power 2. So the answer of this is 1 upon 3 to the power 2. Now let us see question number 3. Find the value of 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into 2 to the power 2. We have to find the value of this number. Now we know that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So this can be written as 1 plus, this will be 1 upon 4 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. Now this can be written as 1 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 5 by 4 into 4. This can be written as 4 will cut. Answer is 5. 3 to the power 0 is equal to 1. 4 to the power minus 1, that will be 1 upon 4. 1 plus 1 upon 4, that is 5 upon 4. Find the LCM. LCM is 4, so it will be 4 plus 1, 5. 5 upon 4 into 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4. So 4 both cut. The answer is 5. Question number 2 is, you can do question number, let us move toward question number 3, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 whole to the power minus 3 plus 1 upon 4 whole to the power minus 2. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 whole to the power minus 2 can be written as 1 minus 2 upon 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 minus 3, 1 to the power minus 3, 3 to the power minus 3 plus 1 to the power minus 2 upon 4 to the power minus 2. According to the formula, this will interchange, or you can say inverse, that will 2 to the power 2 upon 1 to the power 2 plus 3 to the power 3. 3 to the power, sorry, it is 2 here. So 3 to the power 2 upon 1 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2 upon 1 to the power 2. Here 1 will go, so 2 to the power 4, this is 4 plus 9 plus 16. The answer will be 29 here. 4 plus 9 plus here, it is inverse. 2 to the power 2 is 4, 3 to the power 2 is 9, 4 to the power 2 is 16. So the answer is 29 here. Let us move to the next question. Question number 4. Question number 4 will be 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Now, if any number will come here, it is whole to the power minus 0 is there, so the result is always 1. But let us first solve it. This will become 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 upon 5. LCM of 1, 3 and 4 will be 3 4 60. LCM will be 60, that will be, it will be 60, then 3 is 20, so 20 plus 15 plus 12 whole to the power 0, whole to the power 0, 20 plus 15, 35 plus 12, 47 to the upon 60 whole to the power this will become 47 to the power and 60 to the power 0, 1 upon 1, and so the result is 1. Here, if it is simply, we can say that any number to the power 0 is equal to 1. So directly also if you write 1, it's okay, but we had solved it. First we had find out LCM, then we had find out the number, then we know that any number, any division to the power, any number is 47 to the power 0, 60 to the power 0, 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1. Let us see question number 4. First one is 8 to the power minus 1 into 5 to the power 3 upon 2 to the power minus 4. Now here, for this 8 will come down, this 2 will go up. So that will be 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 3 upon this 8 will come down, that is 8 to the power 1. 8 to the power 1 means it is just 1. We can write only 8 also. Now this 8 can be written as 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power the others as it is. This 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. Then this can be written as now 2 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 4 minus 3 into 5 to the power 3. This can be written as 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. This can be 2 into 5 to the power 3, that is 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, that is 1, 2 and 5. So the answer is 250. Here first we have interchange this, that is 8 upon minus 1 is there, that will come to denominator 8. 2 to the power minus 4 will go to the numerator 2 to the power 4. Then 8 we can write as 2 to the power 3 also. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8. So 2 to the power 3 is 8. Then 2 to the power 4 minus 3 multiplied by 5 to the power 3. 2 to the power 1 into 5 to the power 3. And the answer is 250. Let us see question number 5. Find the value of m for 5 to the power, question number 5, 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power minus 3 is equal to 5 to the power 5. Now we have to find out here the value of m. First we need to solve this. So that can be 5 to the power m divided by 5 to the power. So that can be written as 5 to the power minus 3, which is equal to 5 to the power 5. This can be written as 5 to the power m plus 3, which is equal to 5 to the power 5. 5 to the power m plus 3 equal to 5 to the power 5. Now here we see that both the base are same. If the base are same here, in between is equal to sign is there, we can say that exponents should also be same. Base are same here both. In between there is equal to sign, so we can say that exponents should also be same. So we imply that m plus 3 is equal to 5. M plus 3 is equal to 5. We can say that m is equal to 5 minus 3. We can say that m is equal to 2. So the value of m here to solve this equation to keep here is m is equal to 2. Now let us see question number 6. Question number 6 is under bracket 1 upon 3 to the power minus 1 minus 1 upon 4 again to the power minus 1 whole bracket close whole to the power minus 1. Now we need to solve this. First we have to solve this bracket, and to solve this bracket what we need to do is this can be written as simply we have just interchange it and remove the negative sign. Now this can be written as 3 minus 4 minus 1. 3 minus 4, because here 1 to the power 1 we can't write 1 to the power 1 again. So 3 to the power 1 is 3, 4 to the power 4, 1 is 4. So 3 minus 4 whole to the power minus 1. This can be written as minus 1. 3 minus 4 is minus 1 to the power minus 1. This can be written as 1 upon minus 1 to the power 1, which is equal to minus 1. 1 to the power minus 1 upon 1, which is equal to 1 upon minus 1. We don't write negative sign in denominator, so this can be written as minus 1. First we have just interchanged it as we have done in formula. Then 3 to the power 1 is 3 minus 4 to the power 1 is 4. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1 to the power minus 1. 1 upon minus 1 to the power 1. That can be written as minus 1. 1 upon minus 1, which is equal to minus 1. Now let us see question number 7. First one. That is 25 multiplied by t to the power minus 4 upon 5 to the power minus 3 into 10 multiplied by t to the power minus 8. Here first we need to change the negative digit, or that will be 25 will remain as it is. 25 into this will be 5 to the power 3 into this will go up and this t to the power minus 4 will come down. That will be t to the power 8 upon 10 into t to the power 4. Then this can be written as, this 25 can be written as 5 to the power 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 2. 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 8 upon this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 into t to the power 4. This 25 is 5 to the power 2, 5 square, that is 5 into 5. 5 to the power 3 as it is, 3 to the power t to the power 8 as it is. This 10 can be written as 2 into 5. We have to simplify this 10 as it is 5 here, base is 5 here, so we have to convert like this. Now this can be 5 to the power 2 plus 3 into t to the power 8, 2 to the power 5 into t to the power 4. Now this can be 5 to the power 5 into t to the power 8 upon 2 into 5 into t to the power 4. This equation we can write as here 5 to the power 5. Here divide by 5, we can take this, this can be 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 divide by 5 into, here 5 is there, no exponent is there, so we can write 1. Here 5, no exponent is there, so we can write 1. Now into t to the power 8 divide by t to the power 4, t to the power 8 divide by t to the power 4. Here this 5 here has gone up, this t also has gone up, so what remains here is just 2. Now 5 to the power 5 minus 1 into t to the power 8 minus 4 upon 2. This can be written as 5 to the power 4 into t to the power 4 upon 2. Now this 5 to the power 4 can be 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 125. 125 into 5, that is 625 into t to the power 4 upon 2. So this will positive. So that here numerator, denominator is there, so that will go toward in numerator and become positive. This also will go to numerator and become positive. This is numerator, so it will come to denominator and become positive. Then we just had 25, we had write it as 5 into 5, that is 5 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 3 into t to the power 8, then 10, 2 into 5 into t to the power 4. Then simply we just had put the formula and find the answer. It is 625 into t to the power 4 upon 2. This can also be written as 625 t to the power 4 upon 2. So here we end our first exercise, exercise 12.1. Your homework is to do the remaining sum and the whole exercise in your fair notebook. Thank you.